Here we're going to select the location, age, gender, detailed targeting, and languages. If you are not sure on what to put here or what your demographic is or what your target audience is, you could go to Facebook Audience Insights. And here we're going to select a couple of artists you think that you sound like or your audience may be interested in that's closely related to the type of music that you create. All right, so let's say you sound like Neo and you sound like Usher. We see that over 70% of women like Neo and Usher. So let's say your music sounds like Neo and Usher. It seems like here women like these artists more than men. So we're going to go back to Facebook ads and we're going to target only women. Go back to Facebook Audience Insights, and then you see the demographic for women is 35% between the ages of 25 and 34. So I would target between the ages of 25 to 34. If you know your fan base and you know the ages, let's say you know that your fans are younger than 25, you could edit this and put your direct fan base. If you're not sure, I would leave it at this. If you know that your fan base is older than 34, I would change it from 35 and up. So it's really depends on your personal fan base, and if you know who they are, put it down. But if you have no clue, use Facebook Audience Insights to help you narrow that down. So if you scroll down to relationship status, you will see that almost 50% of people who like these two artists are single. So you can actually go to Facebook ads and edit the detailed targeting and target single people, or women in this case, because you're only targeting women. So where it says relationship status single, you'll click this right here. All right, and it says that the education level, over 60% of their fans have went to college. So we can actually go back and since they're over 25, we're going to assume that they've graduated from college. So we're going to click on college grads. Narrow the audience, and we're going to put Neo and Usher. Going to narrow the audience again. We're going to put Usher here. Actually, we're going to narrow it further